logical.
Ah, for crying out loud.
Jack?
Who cares whose fault it is?
Jack.
Your planet is gonna blow up.
Jack.
The whole damn planet, Daniel.
Okay, I think it's best if we all just take a little recess right now.
You've been living in a dream world. This is the world as it exists today. You just have yourself a good day. Take care now. Bye-bye then.
Hey, Butthead, what did people do before they invented TV?
Don't be stupid, Beavis. There's always been TV. There's just more channels now.
Oh, yeah. Progress is cool.
Ah, for crying out loud.